Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we shall study about the human evolution. Let's recall the definition of evolution. Evolution is a gradual change occurring in living organisms over a long duration. Approximately 7 crore years ago, when last dinosaur was disappeared from the earth. At that time, monkey-like animals were evolved from ancestors who were more or less similar to today's modern lemurs. About 4 crore years ago, the tail of these monkey-like animals from Africa was disappeared completely. We call this monkey-like creature without tail as Egyptopithecus. Afterwards, brains started to develop, their hands were also improved, and thus ape-like animals were evolved. Meanwhile, few of them, ape-like animals, reaches South and North East Asia and finally evolved into gibbon and orangutan. 2.5 crore years ago, remaining ape-like animals stayed in Africa and from them gorilla and chimpanzees were evolved. They started using their hands for eating food, hunting, etc. We call them as Dryopithecus. About 2 crore years ago, first human-like animal with erect posture was evolved, which were using their hands for different activities. We call them Ramapithecus. This ape was evolved in East Africa. About 40 lakh years ago, Ramapithecus ape grown up in size and became more intelligent. Thus, the ape of South Africa was evolved. We call this evolved ape as a Australopithecus. About 20 lakh years ago, the morphology of these human-like animals started to appear, to which they could be placed in the genus Homo. We call them skilled human. About 15 lakh years ago, human walking with erect posture was evolved. They may have existed in China and Indonesia of Asian continent. We call them a man walking with erect posture. About 1 lakh years ago, upright man with developing brain was evolved. About 50,000 years ago, the brain of this man was sufficiently evolved such a extent that they could be placed in the class of wise man, that is Homo sapiens. We call them Neanderthal man, which is a first example of wise man. About 50,000 years ago, Cro-Magnon man was evolved, and after that, evolution became faster than earlier. About 10,000 years ago, wise men started to practicing agriculture and to rear the cattle, herds, and the cities were established. Thus, the cultural development took place. About 5,000 years ago, art of writing was invented and thus the history had been started. About 400 years ago, modern science was evolved. About 200 years ago, industrial society was established and now we have reached at this stage and still we are searching the details of roots of human ancestry. Subscribe my channel to get notification of my upcoming videos.